All right, let's get this game underway. We're coming live from Piranha Pit Arena. This is the American Rugby Championship. Here goes the first bun. It's out. They're starting to push. The object here is to push the bun up against the boat. The catfish are giving the push a good push down the field. Here they come. The bluegills are pushing back. This is a spectacular match between the catfish and the bluegills. The bluegills are running it back towards the other field's goal. The catfish are making a push. It's a major push. They're headed for the goal line. Here they go, ladies and gentlemen. The crowd's going crazy. It's a goal! It's a goal! The catfish are the first to score the American goal. They're happily running it off the field. The first goal in America. Catfish goal. Let's get another bun prepared. We're going to have to toss it out on the field. They're still having a go at that bun. This is incredible action. Live from Piranha Pit Field Arena. The world's first fish rugby match. You heard it first here on our channel. All right, seems they've cleared the field. We're looking for another. Here it comes. There's the bun ball. They're rushing the field. Bluegills are the first to start the push. There seemed to be a bit of confusion on the field. Here we go. The catfish are beginning a major push. They're headed towards the goal line. Bluegills are fighting back best they can. The catfish have size on their team. Bluegills have the speed. Catfish are starting another push. Crowd's getting excited. They're headed in, folks. Here they go. Push, catfish, push. Push, catfish, push. There it is. Goal number 2. The catfish are winning in the first American fish rugby match. They happily push it off the field. Wait, they're pushing it back on the field. That could be a violation. It could draw a card. It could draw a penalty card for the first time, for the first penalty in the Rugby Catfish Nation of America, Catfish Rugby. This is an exciting game. Catfish are winning 2-1. No, I'm sorry, the bluegills have none. Will they even be able to score against the larger opponents? They have speed on their side. All right, let's get another bun ball ready. Here it comes. It's on the field. They're rushing the ball. Here they go. The catfish are the first to start to push. Bluegills are pushing back. They're pushing hard. Wait, there's another bun ball on the field. There's 2 bun balls on the field. Wait, it's multi-ball. It's multi-ball bun. It's a new rule, only in America fish rugby. The officials will unexpectedly toss out multi-balls. Scores are all final. All right, that was an awesome multi-ball. Crowd's calling for more action. They want more action. This is the world's first rugby ball fish at Piranha Pit Marina. There may be a penalty. No, wait, here comes the ball bun. Whoa, it gets pounded immediately by both sides. They're in a roundabout. The Bluegills are starting their push. They're trying to sneak run up the end. Boom! They're trying to bluegill sneak. Uh-oh, it's underwater sneak. Seems they've deflated the ball. They've allowed Tom Brady on the field. Here comes another bun ball. Both sides are rushing the field. Catfish are first to arrive and start to push. This is an incredible action-packed game. The Bluegills are getting ready to score. Catfish are defending. What excitement. Seems to be a standoff in a circle about. Boom. It's a sneak. Uh-oh, we're going to throw out another bun ball. The Bluegills are the first to arrive. They're circling the ball. Boom! It's a bluegill sneak. Live rugby from Piranha Pit. Uh-oh, it looks like another multi-ball bun. The crowd's going crazy. They love the multi-ball. That's a new rule. Anytime that gets boring on the field, they toss out the multi-balls. Next multi-ball, scores will be doubled. As it is, it's 2-0. Catfish are winning. Fish rugby, it's exciting. It's crazy. It's nutty. Only on this channel. Looks like there may be an injury on the field. Wait, the multi-ball started again. Here they go. Both teams are on the field. Seems to be a bit of confusion as Bluegills start sneaking the piece towards the goal line. Go Bluegills. Crowd's going nuts. It's multi-ball. Bluegills are sneaking it in. They're sneaking it in. It's a bluegill sneak. It's a score. It's a score. The Bluegills score. Crowd goes crazy. Yay. What an exciting game. First ever bluegill catfish rugby tournament. Live from Piranha Pit. Wow, that was an exciting game. Seems catfish won. 2-1. Didn't really think the bluegills had much of a chance against such a large opponent. Tune in next week when we go to, who knows where we'll go. We're crazy, don't you know? Thanks for watching, everybody.